I want to congratulate South Wales Police Special Constabulary on receiving this prestigious award. It is well deserved and recognises the amazing contribution the Special Constabulary makes to the communities of South Wales, particularly in respect of the tireless work they have all given to the police service while dealing with this pandemic. The Queen's Award for Voluntary Service is a hard-won accolade, and since the introduction of lockdown measures last March, our specials, who are all volunteers, have given over 40,000 hours of their time to supporting the rest of the police service here in South Wales. Special constables hold a unique role, since they both represent their police within their communities, whilst representing their community within the police service. The COVID-19 pandemic has seen our communities facing unprecedented challenges. Our volunteers place themselves at risk of contracting the virus, and without hesitation, they selflessly place public service before their own health and that of their families. As a result of their commitment and success, most people cannot differentiate our special constables from full-time police officers. Once again, many congratulations on well-deserved recognition for your service to our communities.